first glance, the Tiny Tools Layer Colors plugin looks similar to Photoshop's built-in feature for coloring layers. But upon closer inspection, it offers far more functionality than what Photoshop provides on its own. Marking one or more layers by assigning a color works just like it does in Photoshop. You simply choose a color, and the selected layers get tagged accordingly. This is also the first option in the plugin's right-click menu. If you enjoy working with shortcuts, you'll find them listed next to the menu items. For anyone who uses Tiny Tools frequently, learning the shortcuts is definitely worthwhile. Though for this explanation, we'll stick to manual actions to keep things clear. If you ever want to assign the same color to all layers in a document, including those hidden inside collapsed groups, you can do that as well. This is particularly useful when you take over a document from someone else and want to clearly identify the layers you've added yourself. Likewise, you can remove all layer color markings in one go, which is handy when sharing your document without your own markings. For the rest of this tutorial, we'll mark all text layers in red, all generative fill layers in blue, and all skin retouching layers in green. The original image layer will remain unmarked. You can toggle the visibility of all layers with a specific color using the third item in the context menu. There's just one thing to keep in mind. This command always affects all layers with that color. So, for example, if some red layers are already hidden and you see the Hide All option, they will all be hidden. Then, when you show all, they all be visible again, even those you had previously turned off manually. If you want to preserve the original visibility state, you can use the fourth menu option to save the current state. When you do, the red swatch will be highlighted in the plugin, indicating that the state is saved. You can now use the Show All command or hide and show individual layers manually. The fourth menu item, which changed to Restore when you saved the status, takes you back to your original status, and the red tile in the plugins is not highlighted anymore. This same principle works for hiding or showing all other colors except the selected one. I can hide and show all the others, whereby after switching back and forth, previously hidden ones are then all shown. Likewise, there is another option in the context menu to remember the status. This makes it easy to isolate certain elements and switch back quickly to your original view. There's also a quick option to select all layers of a particular color, so you can move or transform them together, even if they're not grouped. If you want to look up what each function does while you're working, you can access the help via the last menu item. We hope the Tiny Tools plugin helped you speed up your Photoshop workflow. Download the free trial now and see for yourself. Have fun and see you next time.